Welcome back to my channel. Now we are given two equations here. The first one, they said if x plus y equal to 14, and the second one is if x minus y equal to 4, and they said then x divided by y equal to. So meaning that we are asked to find the value of what? X divided by y. So meaning we first of all find the value of x, then we find the value of y, then we divide the two answers to get the final value. Okay, so solution. Now let's make this one our equation 1, make this one our equation 2. Okay, so let's start from equation 2. From equation 2 we have x minus y equal to 4, right? Let's make x the surrogate of the formula. So by making x the surrogate of the formula, we have x equal to 4 plus y. Are you getting it? By moving minus y to our right side, it will change from negative to what? Positive. Are you getting it? So here we have x equal to 4 plus y, right? So let's substitute this to equation 1. So meaning that anywhere we see x in equation 1, we put what? 4 plus y. Are you getting it? So from equation 1, the first variable is what? Is x, right? So meaning that anywhere we see x in this equation, we what? Impute this 4 plus y. So from equation 1, we have what? 4 plus y, okay, then plus this y equal to 14. Are you getting it? So we have 4 plus y plus y will give us 2y, everything equal to 14. Okay, so let's collect like terms. So we have 2y equal to 14 minus, because this 4 will come to the right side, we change to what? Minus. So minus 4. So 2y equal to 14 minus 4 is what? Is 10. Divide both sides by 2. These 2 will cancel like this. Therefore, y equal to 10 divided by 2 is what? Is 5. So the value of y is what? Is 5. I get it. So let's find the value of x. To find the value of x, we can make use of the first equation or the second one. Any one you use, we get the value of x, okay? But let's make use of the second equation. I get me. So meaning that since the value of y is 5, okay? The value of y is 5, right? So meaning that anywhere we see y in this equation, we impute 5. Are you getting it? So from equation 2, we have x minus y equal to 4, right? So anywhere we see y in this equation, we put 5. So we'll have x minus 5 equal to 4. So x equal to 4 plus, moving this one, if we change to plus, right? Plus 5, so x equal to 4 plus 5 is what? Is 9. So the value of y is 5, while the value of x is 9. 9. Now the final answer, they said then x divided by y is what? So let's divide the two values. Okay, the first one is x, right? So the value of x is what? Is 9. So mean that 9 divided by what? Y is what? Is 5. Okay, you can write it in this form. 9 divided by what? 5. I get it. So you can leave your answer in this format, okay? 9 all over count, or you can change it to decimal number, okay? By dividing, pressing your calculator, 9 divided by 5. I get it. Or you can change it to mixed fraction. It's left for you. I get it. But you can also leave your answer in this improper fraction. I get it.